Assalamu alaikum all viewers and dear students. Today once again Makbul Islami is in front of you. Let's come we start with determine the derivative of f of x, derivative f dash x, and each case. Question number first part A, f of x 2x minus 5 whole power 3 5x minus 7. That is the we can use is we are using product rule here according to the product rule f dash x u and v dash plus u dash and v and u dash according to this rules. So differentiating both sides f dash x is equal to here we are consider u we can write the same 2x minus 5 whole power 3 and derivative with respect to x are 5x minus 7 plus and 5x minus 7 5x minus 7 derivative of the u function. U function is 2x minus 5 whole power 3. Now we are using here the derivative of x. The x is 1 multiplied by 5. This is constant. Constant derivative is 0. 2x minus 5 whole power 3, and we get here 5 minus 0 plus 5x minus 7 into derivative. Here we are using power rule first. 3 into 2x minus 5 3 minus 1, and for the derivative of this function we get here 2. So we get 5 into 2x minus 5 whole power 3 plus 2 multiplied by 3 6 into 5x minus 7 into 2x minus 5 3 minus 1 2. So we can also taking common, if we take common this function, so 2x minus 5 whole square is common. We get here 5 into 2x minus 5 is remaining because there is cube plus 6 5x minus 7 is remaining as equal to 2x minus 5 whole square and 5 multiplied by this term 10x minus 25 plus 30x minus 42. We get here 2x, then we can write f dash x is equal to 2x minus 5 whole square and 10x plus 30x 40x minus 25 minus 25 and minus 42 we get minus 67. Minus 67 is the answer of the first part. Using the product rule whole square divided by x minus 1 f part b of the same question. Determine the derivative of the function f dash x. F dash x is required, so x plus 2 whole square divided by x minus 2. We are using division rule or quotient rule. First of all we write as we know that the quotient rule or division rule f of x is equal to u divided by v. If we are finding f dash x, so we are v and u dash minus u and v dash divided by v square. This is the quotient rule we are applying here. We consider this term is u and this is and denominator of is v f dash x. Now we are differentiating on both sides of this function x minus 1 and derivative of derivative of x plus 2 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square and derivative of v function x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square according to this rule. So x minus 1, and here we are using power rule, 2x plus 2 to power minus 1, and further derivative is 1 and 2 is constant. 0 minus x plus 2 whole square and derivative x is 1 x minus 1 whole square. Now further we simplify this term. We 2 is the product. So 2x minus 1 into x plus 2, 2 minus 1, 1, x plus 2 minus, and we get here x plus 2 whole square divided by x minus 1 whole square. This is the first derivative. We can also further simplify if you are needed accordingly. Because x plus 2 is common, we will take here x plus 2 is common. X plus 2 is common if you take, so there is remaining term is 2x minus 1 and minus x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole square. So x plus 2 into x minus 1 is whole square, and 2x minus 2 minus x minus 2. So we get here 2x and minus x, we get x plus 2 f dash x is equal to 2x, x plus 2, x plus 2 and 2. And here we get 2x minus x, we get x, and minus 2 we get minus 4 divided by x minus 1 whole square is the required answer. F of x is equal to 2x minus 4 divided by x minus 4 whole power 4. So we are using first the exponent rule regarding to the power rule. So we can use this power rule nx n minus 1. Differentiating both sides of this function. Here 4 is the power, n values. Now 2x minus 5 divided by x minus 4. So 4 minus 1, and further derivative with respect to 2x minus 5 divided by x minus 4. We are taking further derivative of this function. Now for 2x minus 5 divided by x minus 4, 3, and where we are using here a quotient rule, division rule, x minus 4 into derivative of 2x minus 5 minus 2x minus 5 and derivative of v function is x minus 4 divided by x minus 4 whole square. That is the quotient rule or division rule. Here we are used 4 into 2x minus 5 divided by x minus 4 whole cube into x minus 4 into derivative of 2 minus 2x minus 5 and derivative of x 1 divided by x minus 4 whole square. So 4 into 2x minus 5 divided by x minus 4 whole cube, and we multiply 2x minus 8 minus 2x plus 5 divided by x minus 4 whole square is equal to 4 into 2x minus 5 divided by x minus 4 whole cube, and we get here minus 2x plus 3 is cancel, minus 8 plus 3 we get minus 3 divided by x minus 4 whole square. Now we multiply this term, we can write minus 12 divided by 2x minus 5 whole cube and x minus 4 cube, and this cube is 3 plus 2, we get 3 plus 2. Further, we simplify this term. If dash x is equal to minus 12 into 2x minus 5 whole power 3 divided by, we separate this term also, x minus 4 power 5 is the required answer. Is equal to x 2x square plus 11. So first of all, we write this term 2x square plus 11, we can write 1 by 2. Now here we are using product rule again. We consider this is u and this term is v. Now we are at dash x, if we are finding, we are u and v dash plus v and u dash. We use this formula. If dash x is equal to x is u, consider x and derivative of this function 1 by 2, 2x square plus 1 and 1 by 2 minus 1, and further derivative of 2x square plus 1 plus, and v derivative is here v 2x square plus 11 1 by 2, and derivative of u function, u is x is 1. Now further we simplify this term. We can write x divided by 2, 2x square plus 1 and minus 1 by 2. We get here 2x square plus 1. We get here 4x and constant is 0 plus 2x square plus 11 plus, this is plus 11 1 by 2. Now 2 and 4 are cancelled. 2x square and 2x square plus 11. Here is, this is 11 plus 11 and minus 1 by 2 plus 2x square plus 11 1 by 2. We can write this term 2x square divided by, we change into positive, 2x square plus 11 1 by 2 because the power is negative, plus 2x square plus 11 under the root we can write, and also this term further 2x square plus 11 we can change into square root plus 2x square plus 11 under the root. We are taking square root we are taking LCM also. If we take here LCM 2x square plus 1 11 plus 11, so we get 2x square, 1 we get 1 is multiplied by this term plus 2x square plus 11 whole square, because we multiply this term, so that will be whole, both are cancelled. We get here 2x square plus 2x square plus 11 divided by 2x square plus 11 under the root is equal to 2x square you get 4x square plus 11 divided by 2x square plus 11 under the root. F dash x is the required answer. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video, and also please comment on this video.